line to Richmond.
Busking is like gambling. One day you earn £2, one day you earn 200.
Narrow tunnel, but it's a good acoustic. That's why I love to play there. If there are not too many people, they talk too much and too loud, and if they're drunk or whatever, then it's not very good for me. I'm Rosemary. I'm a pipa player, and I just busk around and traveling. Pipa is a very traditional, classical Chinese instrument, and it's like over 2,000 years old. So. And it's very popular in China, but just in Europe, people have never seen it before, so they're quite interested and curious about it. Normally people like fast tunes. Traditionally, we can play very loud something or play very fast. I can play it, but it's not really me. It's not the real me.
Happy to change the vibe and the energy of the place and see people smiling and getting interested in that. I'm Giuseppe and I come from Italy. I love music in general, but there was something very, very primal and instinctual in it that resonates with me, and that's why I decided to learn it. So the first one was a bamboo. This one that is still my favorite didgeridoo. At the moment I have 12, but this one is really something special.
Some days everybody just likes you, and some days everybody just ignores you. But mainly it's nice because people from all different walks of life and all different ages and sexes and everything, they come to you and congratulate you. They just play pop music in the streets, and Mrs. Robinson and stuff like that, so I wanted to play some more soulful music. We've been driving myself plain now. We've been driving myself plain, baby. Oh, you said stop ain't gone.
I came from Ukraine. I've been here 11 years. After Soviet Union was broken, it's very hard times. I was in Ukraine. I had support from my stepfather and mother, but this happened. Stepfather died by accident. I had 2 kids that time, no money. London is very cruel. I was thinking if I'm gonna break my teeth or something gonna happen with my lips, I'm not gonna earn money for living.
My name is Janus originally, you know.
Janus.
Yeah, because I'm from Poland. This one is from Germany. It's from Kaufland. It's English. This is from Czech Republic, I think. Czech Republic. Water sound, you see? Water, it's a water pot. It's like a water. It's London, you know, it's a touristic place. Beautiful.
Yeah, many people here from all over the world. That's what I love.
This is, you know, we really sum it up about London. There is such a variety of people. I mean, you get on a carriage in the underground and you have, you know, 40, 50 different countries, and that's what I really love. And you go everywhere, you find incredible musicians playing all kinds of music, African, Indian, Asian, everything, really everything. That's what I really, really love. Certainly adds, you know, character to the city. What would London be if it was just English?
It should be music on the street. It's nice atmosphere when you walk in. It's good to hear some good quality music. But to be honest, in London, in some places, if you're making noise, you're gonna get money. It's big rush. It's like the house of ants. Very busy and everybody running somewhere, and they don't really care.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are currently severe delays on the Piccadilly line. All other lines are operating at good service.
It's difficult to survive in Ukraine. It's not easy here, but I'm not gonna go back.
When I do this final bit, the meditation, I close my ears, so I'm kind of cut out between that and the sound of the didgeridoo, and because when you close your ears, you really hear it in your skull, you know, in your head. So it works very well to cut me out of the environment.
I'm gonna stay here like here, always, until I die.